Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
Put the baby
No,
down.
I'm not putting anything down.
You're not leaving with the baby.
You're not touching me with my baby. Don't touch me with my baby.
Did you just put your hands on me?
Don't touch me with my baby. I am confused.
Put your hands
about...
on your back.
No.
I'm not playing with you.
Stop.
On September 23rd, 2025, a traffic stop for a seatbelt violation ended with a woman handcuffed on the ground, transported to a hospital, and charged with 3 offenses.
Ma'am, get in the car. I'm legally stopping you. Get in the car.
Why?
Because you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's why I'm trying to talk to you.
I'm not. No.
All right. You're gonna.
No, we're not doing this.
Okay,
No.
Relax. 1 second, ma'am.
Excuse me, no.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Relax.
Why are you touching
Don't
me?
do this. Don't.
Move.
Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
Ma'am, put the baby
No,
down.
I'm not putting anything down. It's my child.
Tango 32, 1050, 45, 109, 30. Ma'am, stay here though. You're not leaving. You're not leaving with the baby.
You're not touching me with my baby. Knock on the door.
Stay here.
Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna
I was pulling into my house though.
You're gonna get arrested.
No, I'm not. I have to go to work.
You're gonna get arrested. I don't want you to.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me with my baby. Don't touch me with my baby.
Did you just put your hands on me?
Don't touch me with my baby.
I'm just trying to get her ID. That's it. Back up.
Daddy.
Sir.
I don't know where he came from.
I don't want her to get her arrested. Just want to
Daddy,
give her a
I don't know where he came from. He just touched me with my baby.
No.
I don't know
it's
where
all on
he came
camera.
from.
I'm legally stopping her for her
Daddy,
seatbelt.
I was
Okay.
right here.
She's like, I'm not. You're not trying to do
Hold
that.
up on me while I'm on here.
I do. I'm not trying to escalate this, but she puts my hands on me again. It's
You
gonna be a
put your hands on me with my child.
because you're not listening.
You touched me.
Okay.
He touched me. He touched me.
Okay, do
He
the
didn't
right
ask
thing.
me for anything, Daddy.
Okay.
I was just driving.
Okay.
I pulled in.
Do the right thing and shut up. Get him in your license.
Do you think I'm here to give everybody a ticket?
No, he's not doing that.
If your baby wasn't here, this would have been very bad for you.
Hey,
Okay.
let me get her. Get the dog, Ariel.
That's fine.
Who the f is you? You gonna pull up on me? I didn't even do anything.
Tango 32. Copy the tag.
Nowhere.
So, what?
Pull up on me when I
Come
pull
here.
in. You're gonna tell me don't
The
stop.
devil is busy. The devil. And you cussing the police.
It's
She didn't have the
police.
baby in the city that she know.
I put He said I wasn't in my seat. Oh, just show me your license.
Just show me your license.
No.
Ma'am, you got your ID?
No.
You got your ID, ma'am?
I don't know money.
Whatever she chooses to do.
Yeah. Just take the baby. Take the baby.
No.
You stupid.
No.
You are damn stupid.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, just stay here for a
Ask
second.
him what happened.
You're gonna take.
Ask him what happened.
Hear me out. All due respect. I'm gonna let her do her thing right now. If she goes inside, it's gonna be an automatic arrest. That's not fine. She's not wearing her seatbelt. Simple routine stop. If she refuses to, that's.
He's bothering me.
I'm bothering you. Ma'am, you're not going inside. Don't do this. I promise you. Don't do this.
No, I'm going in the house. Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna get.
I was on the street right here.
Breathe. Get a man your license.
Tango 32 to the unit that just passed.
Man,
I'm just
what you
east.
doing? So what? Give him your license. You ain't stupid. Give a man your stuff.
There's nothing wrong with your license.
Ain't nothing wrong with you. You clean. You never been in trouble before. Check ass.
He's bothering me.
He ain't bothering you.
I'm bothering you.
He's not bothering. So I'm here. You ain't bothering
Ma'am,
her.
get over here. Get over here, though.
You see how this shit is?
The man just running your license.
Ma'am, stay over here now. All right. Go inside. I hope you do. All right. I'm great. That's good. That's good.
Okay, and then do an unconscious.
I know you didn't do anything.
So what? If you didn't do nothing, why you talking?
Okay, so he's harassing you for nothing. Just be quiet.
On the street.
Okay.
Your ID.
He's not doing anything.
He just pulled up behind me.
Okay.
I didn't know. I passed by him. That's it.
Ma'am, it's just a traffic stop. It's just a traffic stop.
The man ain't did nothing.
Well, he caught up to you when you
He
parked.
caught up to me when I was right here turning in and didn't turn his lights on. That's why I was confused.
There's nothing wrong with
He was
that.
not following me the whole time or nothing.
Okay,
He just came out of nowhere.
So what?
You gotta go to work at
Yeah, but he
11:30.
was pushing and shoving me while I was trying to get my baby out the car.
So what?
That's why I'm like this.
Are you okay?
No, are you okay?
I told you to
No, are you okay?
Shut up.
Are you okay?
I told you to stay.
No, he's not okay.
I told you.
He's not okay.
You don't want to listen. You just
I
don't want
don't
to listen.
have to listen to you.
I know. So that's why.
I don't. That's the thing. I don't. I have free will. I don't have to listen to you.
There is free will. There is free speech.
That's why you shouldn't be bothering me. Go bother somebody that's really doing something.
Okay.
We are so sorry.
I'm in here like listening to the word of God and like, what the heck? I don't know what's
You got to
going
know
on.
how to submit.
Just be submissive. Just
It's
whatever.
submit yourself to these people. They ain't doing nothing. The man ain't getting nothing to you.
Ma'am, if you disagree with the citation, you can take that to court, okay?
That was so unnecessary.
So what if you get a citation? He can't arrest you for nothing.
You bring it ain't that. She listen.
Okay, well when you go to court,
Well,
you
if he tell you to
that.
speak yourself still, be still. That's it. Simple. They got a job to do, Bree. They got a job to do. That's it. They got a job to do. Okay, why don't you just do what he asked you?
Because it was unnecessary.
Okay, even if it was.
Ma'am, listen. Let me try to explain to you.
Listen to the man.
Typically, when we pull someone over, okay, for officer safety, we want them to remain in the car, okay?
But I just feel like I didn't need to be remaining in the car because he wasn't pulling me over till I got right here. He put on his light and I was getting out the car.
Ma'am, it's happened to you. Sometimes you don't catch up to the person. You're in the neighborhood, they get home, but you want them to stay in the car. You don't want people walking around, coming and going.
With me. I was getting
But
coming home so I could
Bree,
get out my car.
is they disrespecting you? No.
Yes, he did. He touched me.
Okay, but did you follow his order?
And then he gonna sit there and tell me I touched him. No, you touched me.
Ma'am, neither of us know you. In the past, we've had cases where people pull up and they pretend to live somewhere to get out of getting a ticket. So sometimes,
that's probably what he thought. But
okay,
I live here.
But we don't know that. So until we verify that, that's all it is.
Yeah,
We're just trying to conduct a traffic stop. We're just trying to.
If he would have stopped me back here, I would have stopped. I was trying to figure out why you wait till I get all the way to my house to put your lights on and tell me don't get out of my car where I live.
Man, so when we pull someone over, the first thing we got to do is we got to call it out on the radio. Sometimes the radio isn't clear. So until we can call it out on the radio, we're not allowed to turn our lights on. Okay. So there's a whole procedure we go through that you may not be aware, but it's not. We're not singling you out or anything like that. Okay.
Yes, he did because he was going the other direction and turned around to come this way.
Maybe,
so he did.
Maybe he witnessed a violation. Okay. I'm not him. I can't speak for him, but that's how these things work.
Bree, it's not that. It's just doing what they tell you. If that man would have been gone right now. He would have been gone. That's the thing. You have to submit. If you would have just shut your mouth, it would have been all over. Ain't nobody here hurt you. And what they saying? Okay. What's to report, Bree?
What you mean? What's the report?
Because you're not listening.
Yo, just take her, right?
But why you acting so ghetto?
All right. I tried not going this route with you, but you're very confused about what's going on here.
I am confused.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm not fighting with you. Stop.
Get
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. It's just so simple. She's causing some.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am, what? Put your hands behind your back.
So what's she going to jail for? What is she going to jail for?
That Leo.
Give me a second.
You're gonna get
On my
your.
stomach. On my stomach.
You're gonna get yourself. Just put your hands behind your back.
On my stomach.
Put your hand. Put your. Ma'am, look at her. She's resisting. That's
What
what.
is she going to jail for?
Battery on law enforcement.
Stop, Brianna.
Brianna, stop.
She ain't got no.
Turn over.
Oh, no.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Brianna.
Turn over.
Why are you doing that?
Turn over.
I can't.
Where's her license?
I promise you, turn over.
This way. Turn around. My arm.
I know it's not gonna go well for you. I'm telling you, go roll over. I want her to roll over. Other way. Other way. I don't want to hurt her.
Brianna, why do you do that? You did. You shouldn't have said that. I told you don't say nothing.
Go in the house.
Brianna, I told you.
Turn over. Turn over.
You ain't never been arrested, but now.
Turn
why
over.
is there
For no
arresting you?
reason.
Turn over.
Okay,
You don't like me. He's racist, Mom. He's racist, Mom.
Turn towards me.
No.
Brianna,
We'll take someone in custody. Stand by.
just take her in the, put it in the front.
Ma'am, turn over, please. Ma'am, you gotta back up.
Ma'am.
Back up. Turn over. Turn over. I'm gonna go to you.
Okay, come here.
Wait, I'm trying to. I can't do it.
Turn over.
I'm not playing.
Grab the cuffs in your knees. Put your hand.
I don't care. They don't have to arrest
She
me.
did it to herself.
But what she getting arrested for? I can't breathe. She not can't breathe. She what? She getting arrested for? I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Ma'am, stop.
I can't breathe.
Ma'am, wait, I have you on your side, okay? All right, sit here.
Super should have kept her damn mouth shut.
Can you sit up, please?
I can't breathe though.
Sit up.
She got a machine in there.
Fine.
Ma'am, sit up.
I was way too lenient.
I know you were.
Simple stop.
She wouldn't shut
Sit
her damn
up.
mouth.
Sit up.
You know this extra thing. She just out going crazy. Get her grab. Get her grab. Get her thing.
I can't breathe. Why are y'all doing this for no reason? They follow me to the house for no reason and then try to pull me when I was parked.
Ma'am, are you able to sit up?
I can't breathe.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
I never did.
ma'am, can you sit up for me?
I can't.
Okay. How we gonna get you up?
I don't know. I don't have on any under.
We're just gonna stand you up.
Get in the house.
Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Head to the car.
My clothes.
We'll get you your shoes, all right?
I didn't even do that. I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Hold on. Everything's gonna be alright.
I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Yeah, 100%.
I don't even know why I'm back here.
Have a seat in there, ma'am.
Told you to shut your damn mouth. I told you to shut
I don't
up.
care. I still don't care.
Have a seat.
I just can't breathe.
Can y'all take this with her? So she
We can't do that.
The question is not whether the stop was legal. It was. The question is whether everything that followed met the constitutional standard the law requires. The Fourth Amendment governs every traffic stop. A stop is a seizure. It must be supported by reasonable, articulable suspicion of a traffic violation. An observed seatbelt infraction satisfies that standard. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, decided by the Supreme Court in 1977, an officer conducting a lawful stop has the authority to order the driver to remain in or return to the vehicle. That authority is not discretionary. The subject's confusion about when the stop was activated is understandable. She stated the officer did not turn on his emergency lights until she had already reached her driveway. A second officer later explained that department procedure requires a radio call-out before light activation. That explanation is procedurally valid. Once the stop was activated, however, the subject's location at her residence provided no legal exemption from compliance. The use of force analysis in this encounter is governed by Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. That ruling holds that force must be objectively reasonable, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors drive that analysis: the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Applied here, the underlying offense is a non-criminal seatbelt infraction among the least severe offenses in any jurisdiction. No weapon was present. No threat to officer safety was documented. The subject was holding an infant. On all 3 Graham factors, the predicate for escalating physical force was exceptionally weak. The officer made physical contact with the subject while she was holding her child. This is a critical tactical failure. Standard use of force doctrine requires officers to separate a child from a subject before applying any physical control technique. Attempting to restrain a subject who is holding an infant creates an unacceptable risk of injury to the child and significantly complicates the officer's ability to apply lawful control techniques safely. The officer's statement that things would have been very bad for the subject had her baby not been present constitutes an implied threat disproportionate to a seatbelt infraction. Graham v. Connor does not permit threats of serious force as a compliance tool when the underlying offense carries no custodial mandate and no safety risk. The Supreme Court addressed custodial arrests for minor traffic offenses directly in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001. The court held that a custodial arrest for a seatbelt violation, while harsh, does not violate the Fourth Amendment. That ruling confirms the officer had arrest authority. It does not validate the manner in which that arrest was executed. The subject's refusal to produce identification created independent legal exposure. During a lawful traffic stop, a driver is required to provide a license, registration, and proof of insurance. Refusal to comply creates separate grounds for arrest in most jurisdictions, independent of the original seatbelt infraction. The subject's verbal protests are a separate matter. Under City of Houston versus Hill, decided in 1987, the First Amendment protects the right to verbally criticize and challenge police conduct. The subject's speech, however confrontational, did not provide independent grounds for arrest or additional use of force. During the ground restraint, the subject stated repeatedly that she could not breathe. She also stated, "Get your knee off my neck." Officers are trained that a subject who can verbalize distress retains an open airway. That clinical observation does not eliminate the officer's affirmative duty to monitor a detainee for signs of medical emergency. Department policies uniformly require medical assistance when a detainee reports difficulty breathing. Her subsequent hospital transport confirms the complaint was medically legitimate.
You wear shorts?
She don't have any.
Mom,
I need the name and the badges of everybody.
Yeah, can you put the shorts on her? Can you put your shorts on her?
Ma'am, I'm here right now with Sergeant Weissman.
Get in.
Okay?
Breathe.
You gotta understand, she's not a little kid. Back up.
I need to
Talk to her like that. Don't talk to her like that. Say what you want, pussy. Don't talk to my mama like
Get
that.
inside.
No, you.
Get inside.
Hey, Brianna!
Okay, we're done here.
Get in.
We're done here. We're done here.
Ma'am, get in the car.
No, he's gonna give it to me. I want the name and then
Is this? No, it's the.
my daughter works.
Listen, it sounds like if she just cooperated for a simple
My
seatbelt.
daughter works for ICE. She's coming down from Pompano. She's gonna get her out.
Yeah, that's fine. You saw everything.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
happened.
She just won't listen, man.
I think some things were created here that were unnecessary, right?
It was very unnecessary. We're
CJ just
trying
got
to
offered
be
a little
hard
seatbelt.
on
Little
her.
seatbelt. I don't want to give her a kid. I take it with kids here. You don't grab your kid out, so I can't do my job. You don't do that.
Just try to be a little lenient. We here, we see what happened. Things could have took another. Things could have took another turn. Let me call my lawyer.
I didn't know where you were. It's like 109th and
Yeah, 45th.
oh Jesus! What's her issue, dude? What's her issue?
She don't have-
Does she have anger issues? Honestly, because we're gonna have to put cuffs on her legs, put leg shackles. We're not putting. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. Do you want leg shackles on? You need to calm down. Why? Is she bipolar, ma'am?
The primary officer receives a C. The stop was legally valid. The officer consistently articulated his legal basis, did not draw a weapon, and his stated intent was to resolve the matter without a citation. These are mitigating factors. Against that, physical contact with a subject holding an infant, a disproportionate verbal threat, and an escalation to ground restraint for a non-criminal traffic offense that the officer himself stated he did not want to pursue. Under Graham versus Connor, the force applied was not objectively reasonable given the severity of the crime and the absence of any documented safety threat. The subject, Brianna, receives a C+. Her concern for her infant was rational and consistent. Her verbal protests were constitutionally protected. However, her refusal to produce identification converted a resolvable infraction into an arrestable offense. Her physical resistance during handcuffing produced the most serious charges she now faces: battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence, charges that carry significantly greater consequences than the seatbelt citation that started this encounter. The second officer receives an A-. His calm explanation of radio procedure, his acknowledgement of the community's frustration, and his consistent professionalism under pressure represent the standard this encounter required from the outset. The lesson this encounter teaches is straightforward. A lawful stop does not authorize unlimited escalation. The Graham factors are a ceiling, not a floor. Where the underlying offense is minor, the threat is absent, and the subject is holding a child. Officer restraint is not just a matter of professional courtesy, it is what the Constitution requires. For the subject, the roadside is not the forum to contest a stop. The courthouse is. Compliance at the scene preserves every legal remedy. Resistance at the scene forfeits most of them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.